what's up, everybody? It's your buddy Ben, aka the Fat Kid Deuce. And today, we got an awesome video for you. We're doing a double unboxing. We scored a PS5 from our local Target. Nice job, Target. And we added a 4K television so that we can enjoy it. So we picked ourselves up an RCA just to kind of get in the door. It's entry-level stuff. It's not like a high-end monitor, but it'll get the job done. So come on, let's get this stuff set up and ready to go and do some gaming, yeah? All right, come on. Let's go. Let's go. PlayStation 5. It's here. After a year of waiting, the Fat Kid Deuce, your buddy Ben, we got one. Thanks in large part to our friend, our comrade, our loyal compatriot, Dylan Kowalski helped us to acquire one of these things. You want to know how we did it, folks? He woke up earlier than me. Yeah, this is the early bird that gets the worm, and I'll tell you what, he was gracious this time. Oh, yeah! It's beautiful. It's great. Let's go through the packaging. 825 gigabytes, so that's what they consider to be like a 1 terabyte station these days. Play like never before. Lightning speed. Harness the power of a custom CPU and SSD with integrated I/O that rewrites the rules of what a PlayStation console could do. Yeah! Breathtaking immersion. Discover a deeper gaming experience with support for haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and 3D audio technology. Stunning games. Marvel at incredible graphics. Marvel. And experience new PS5 features. Backwards compatibility. We always ask for it in our system. They should always give it to us. There's no reason we should have to abandon our old game catalog just because we're upgraded to a new system. That's the fun. Just let us experience all of the games that we own forever. That's how it should be. All right. So, just about ready to open it. Contents of this package should be a PlayStation 5 console, wireless controller, base, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable, printed materials, and on the console itself is a copy of Astro's Playbook. More cardboard. Thank you, box. You've done a wonderful job. Oh, it's got instructions. Yeah, so you open the flap and you start taking stuff out. And this is the first something. Oh! Printed materials. In case you want to know anything technical, you got this right here. You got this right here. This is the stuff that if you want to do some reading, you'll read through. Flip this open. Take a walk, buddy. Oh, we got cables. Oh, beautiful. We got cables, baby. Actually, this is a base. This is what you're going to stand your PlayStation 5 on right there. This is definitely your HDMI cable. Oh, it's a power cable right there, baby. AC all day. Controller. Beautiful matte white. God. You know, I've been playing PlayStation for a lot of my life. It was one of the first systems that I owned, and it's just incredible to see how this controller is just kind of transformed over its lifetime. Going from having a single trigger button to just, I mean, like a touchpad. I just, yeah, it kind of leaves you a little speechless when you think about it. You're like, boy, oh boy, the universe is neat, ain't it? Hey, thanks a lot, universe. And Dylan Kowalski. My man, Dylan. My man, Dylan killing it. Oh, and USB cable. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Alright, so that was kind of like the first portion. We'll get back to that in just a minute. I love the packaging, how they just get a bunch of stuff in there like that. Oh, this is the meat and potatoes. This is the mashed potatoes and gravy. This is the giving thanks for the technological expertise. Wow. So once again, like you look at this, this is just, it's so much different than like the first consoles. I mean, it's bigger. It's like it's eaten all of the other consoles become this big. It's like a Pokemon evolving, getting stronger and more powerful. This is awesome. PlayStation logo right there. On the back, you've got a couple of SS ports right there, high speed, LAN, HDMI, power cable. We got a USB on the front. Oh, beautiful. Power eject button. Man, that's just good looking right there. Hey, what's up there, Sony PlayStation 5? Thanks for stopping by. Wanna play some games? You guys wanna play some games? Let's play some games! Games! Before we make the switch, I just wanted to give the PlayStation 4 and the PlayStation 5 a chance to meet each other. You know, kind of like when you're at a workplace and the boss brings somebody in and he's like, hey, you're gonna train this person to do your job. Am I getting replaced? No. Absolutely. So what'd you think? This thing's awesome. It's massive though. Look at this. It's like a computer tower all by itself. Talk about trying to replace PC gaming. Nah, you're not getting rid of the master race. Anyways, just a little side note about this 4K TV. It's an RCA, but apparently RCA and TCL fall under the same branch of electronics. It's just different branding depending on where they're distributed. That being said, what'd you think of the video? Did you have fun? Did you see some gameplay that you like? Are there some games you want me to try out in the future? Let me know. What's pretty cool is I'm playing through Doom on this. I got a PS4 version. I got a free upgrade to the PS5 version, and I hope more companies do it like that. I'm having a problem with Battlefield 2042, where they literally want me to buy a brand new PlayStation 5 copy. I'm kind of like, fuck that, man. Fix your game first. What happened, Battlefield? You're going backwards. Let's go to the future. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in and supporting my channel. I love you all. Thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. And hey, I'll check in with you next time. Sayonara.